Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting process of creating a habit tracker using a plugin in Trello. If you've ever felt the need to get your personal habits in line with your daily tasks, then you're in the right spot. Trello, as many of you might know, is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects. But did you know that with a little help from some plugins, it can also become your go-to platform for habit tracking? Let's explore how you can effortlessly set up a habit tracker and start building those habits today. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your Trello board. If you're new to Trello, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Once you're on your board, direct your attention to the top right corner. There, you'll spot a small icon that looks like a rocket ship. This little icon is your gateway to what Trello calls power-ups, which are essentially plugins created by third-party developers to enhance the overall functionality of your Trello board. Go ahead and click on that rocket ship icon. Once you click on it, you'll see an option to add power-ups. Selecting this will take you to a marketplace filled with various tools, each designed to boost your productivity in unique ways. In the search bar, type Streak Habit Tracker from Emoto. This particular power-up is specifically designed for habit tracking. Once you find it, click the Add button next to it. You might be prompted to authorize its use, which is necessary for the plugin to integrate smoothly with your Trello board. Make sure you follow through with the authorization process, as this is key to ensuring that the Streak Habit Tracker works as intended. With the plugin successfully authorized, it's time to set it up. Begin by opening the specific card on your Trello board that you intend to use for tracking your habit. When you open the card, look towards the bottom for that familiar rocket ship icon again. Click on it and select the Streak power-up from the list. This step is crucial because it allows you to personalize your habit tracking experience. Once the Streak power-up is open, you can customize it to fit your needs. Decide how many days a week you plan to work on this habit, and choose which day you'd like your week to start. For instance, if you want to exercise 3 times a week, starting from Monday, you would set these preferences accordingly. After tailoring the settings to your liking, don't forget to click Save on your Trello card. This step will ensure that all your preferences are recorded. Now, with everything set up, you'll see a Streak calendar appear. This is where the magic happens. You can interact with the calendar by clicking on the days you've worked on your habit. This interaction helps you build and visualize your habit streak. It's a rewarding way to track your progress and keep yourself accountable. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing those streaks grow. And just like that, you've successfully set up your habit tracker in Trello. This tool is simple yet powerful, and it's designed to help you stay on top of both personal and professional goals. Keep those streaks going and watch as it positively impacts your productivity and achievements. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create a habit tracker using a plugin in Trello. If you want more videos like how to create a habit tracker using a plugin in Trello, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.